jumping park.
Got jumping park. We're gonna get our jump on. We gotta find the entrance though so we can pay. Oh, here we go. Like when you're trying to get cool pictures from Instagram.
Oh, this one is so cool.
Let's see how cool it is. Oh gosh. Ooh. What do you think?
That one. This one you got too high, but it's
So I said, ooh, can't see me. We only paid for tickets for the kids, so we as adults are not allowed to jump. We only have, what's the word? The accompanying bracelets or whatever it's called when you watch your kids, so they won't let the adults jump. I'm gonna jump just a little bit. Shh. Don't tell them. I'm gonna jump just a little bit. Y'all don't tell them. Look. Look. I'm jumping. Don't tell him. There you go. Use your gymnastic skills. Not that much, just gymnastic skills.
Right, put your socks
Tori,
in there.
1 out of 10. How was your experience today? 1 out of 10.
Good.
Good? 10 being the highest.
Amazing.
Was it a 10? Amazing. Yeah! We had a good time jumping? Yes. Jules, 1 out of 10. How was your experience today? Oh yeah?
Say amazing.
Amazing. That's a win. Now we're gonna go get some lunch because we are hungry. Some Burger King lunch. That's what Tori wants. There's McDonald's?
I am sweating.
Maybe we will get some Burger King and McDonald's. Baby, make sure you eat your food too. Don't just drink your juice. What are you eating?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets
But I don't want any sauce.
and fries. What do you have, Jules?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets and fries. Mama got a Whopper and fries, and I got a chicken sandwich and fries. Let's eat and go back. Jules take a nap. We'll work some. I might take a nap too.
She's blue. And Jules has like honey or something in her cup. That pops out too. See?
Alright, y'all. Obviously the girls can't go on like any of the water slides, but the adults can, so this is the next one I'm about to tackle. Oh my god. That one was no joke. That one was a little scary. But we made it. Alright, y'all, so I'm loving a little dirty. I'm loving how the prices here are just cheaper than what we're used to. I just got a large cappuccino with vanilla and caramel added, all for $2. Now tell me what Starbucks you can get a large cappuccino with 2 different syrups added for $2. Absolutely nowhere. Super windy outside.
Maybe my dad should pull up.
Hey guys, so I have my friend named Sasha and Seema. We're at their house just you know, like have a play date. Yes, we will. So we're gonna go check out the animals that they have at their farm. Just have to wait for Seema and my little sister because she wants to see the little kitty cats. So yeah, peace and God. We're gonna go see that. See what they have. Doesn't look like kind of like a castle house or anything, but yeah. We'll just see. Oh, we found some dogs. We'll show them everything. There's 2 dogs. Isn't that amazing? So cool. Come on. Это девочки? Нет, девочка, мальчик. Come on. This one's a girl. No. That one's a boy. Did it somehow. I don't know, but yeah, let's go. It's a little chilly here, but not too chilly. Just it's a bit chilly. What is that? Oh, there's some chickens. I gotta go. That thing on camera. So there's just chickens. And then more chickens. And then some other, I forgot what they're called. So you can tell those. This is another wolf. We found a kitty. Just want to show you them because they're also cute. Now that's the cutest kitten I ever seen. The cutest kitten! Probably see this little more goats just coming in our little palm place area. And yeah, we got some hay stuff. The очень много. Восемь котят. 8! Hi, Flockers. Today we're going to get to a museum, right? And first, we are going to this big old ball statue building.
currently at the Astana Expo, checking it out. It's a lot of really cool futuristic stuff here, so we're just here seeing what it's all about. So we're really enjoying this exhibition at the Expo Center. The cool thing is that there's so many interactive things for the kids to do. Usually when we take the girls places, you know, their attention span doesn't last for more than 10 minutes and then they're ready to get on phones or tablets because they're just not into it, whether we go to a zoo or wherever. But this is the first place that we've been, I think, ever where Tori is totally engaged and Jules is engaged too. And we've already been here for, gosh, probably almost an hour, and they're still as engaged as they were in the beginning. If anything, they're more engaged than they were when we first got here, because on each floor there's something new. So I think there's 8 floors total. Yeah, on this wall there's 8 floors total, and on each floor there's something different, a different exhibition that you can check out and look at. So we started on the 8th floor. You got to go to the top. There's Future Astana, Museum of Future Energy, Space Energy, Solar Energy, which I think we're on now. Wind, biomass, kinetic, water, and then the National Pavilion. So yeah, it's exciting for the adults, exciting for the kids. Neither one of them has asked to sit in the stroller. We got it. Because usually, like I said, 10 minutes and they're both done and not wanting to walk, but they're totally engaged and having a good time. So, and we paid for 3 adult tickets and it cost $10. What kind of museum like this can you go to for $10 for 3 adults and kids get in free? Can't beat that. Tori, what'd you think of the museum?
Huh?
What'd you think of the museum?
It was fun.
Fun?
I like the
What was your favorite thing in there?
The plant one.
The plants?
Yeah.
What plants?
The plant aisle one. With all the like types of foods and stuff, like seeds. The floor was covered with like corn and stuff.
Seeds and nuts and different things.
Yeah. And corn.
And corn.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you can't remember my dad's channel, it's called David Jaysway, whatever, I forgot, but I think it's David Jaysway. And make sure to subscribe and come back to our channel. Bye!